Dark mode on. 0.25 plus 4 equals to 4.25. Clear. 0.25 times 4 equals to 1 plus answer equals to 2. 9 percentage minus 3.69 equals to negative 3.4. Delete. Clear. 6 plus times 3 equals to error. Please try again. Light mode on. Clear. Minus 6 plus minus 3 equals to negative 9 minus 9 equals to 0. 6 plus 6 equals to 1. 2 times divided by 2 equals to error. Please try again. Clear. Answer equals to 1. 2. Clear. Minus 6 times 3 equals to negative 1. 8. Clear. 2.36 plus 6 times 9 minus divided by 0 equals to error. Please try again. Neutral mode on. Dark mode on. Neutral mode on. 1, 2, 3 divided by 3, 2, 1 equals to 0. 0.3 8 3 1 7 8. Clear.